My name is Tyler Guyton, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make airplanes. So what you're going to need is just a sheet of paper. So I can put these to the side, and we can start on making an airplane. First step, fold it hot dog style. Now hamburger is the short way, hot dogs is the long way. Let's do it the long way. Run your finger across it. Once you're done, there you go. That's step one. Step two, fold the edges in to the middle. This edge, fold it in like this to the middle. Then do the same to the next edge. Fold it into the middle. Once you get done, it should look like a house. After that, fold this edge into the middle, just like you did the first edge. Just like that. Then do the same to the next edge. Try to have them match up as neat as possible. Give it better flying skill. And it should end up like this. After that, you fold them together. And then you're almost done with the airplane. Once you get like this, fold the wings outwards, not inwards, outwards. So fold them in outwards. Doesn't matter how you fold it out, just fold it out. And then have the other side match up to the way you folded it out, like this. Fold it out like this. I'm gonna have my other side match up. Make sure they lined up equally, like that. And there you go. You have an airplane. Look like a jet. But here goes another trick. If you don't want your tip pointy, you just open it back up, fold it inside, and then you don't have a pointy airplane. Also, if you want it to look like a Star Wars airplane, you don't really need scissors, but you can use scissors. But I'm not gonna use scissors right now. But you can cut or pull apart a little bit. Count to 2 seconds while you pull or cut. So 1, 2, cut, and then while you're cutting into it, count to 2 seconds. Once you get done with that, you should have a piece at the bottom of the airplane like this, in the middle, like right here. So what you do with that, you open your airplane back up again, push that piece outwards, run your finger across it, and there you go, Star Wars airplane. And that is all for today.